going on, YouTube? Dorito here.
And Luch over here right next to this guy.
And today we got Jorge Voodoo.
What's up, everybody?
And the race of races. We're going to have Luch race against Jorge Voodoo. This has been going on for a little bit. And George says, you know, when I get the time, I'll get my cart and I'll run my cart. And we got what?
We got the Tow Motor Sprinter 200. It's been highly modified, people. Highly modified. And it's going to eat his lunch for him today. You wait and see. There's no way this thing can beat me. Don't mess with me, man. I'm out for blood today. Do that. Mark. Ready? You want to drop your lid? Mark. I told you I beat him!
Guys, there you have it. There's race one. Luch against Jorge. Now, Luch smoked Jorge, but Jorge, his buggy's still breaking in, so we got to give him a little credit on that.
Told you 1,000 times, don't drink milk out of the carton can.